One of the Trafalgar Square platform lifts is actually functioning again. These haven't worked in years. Benno said he calls this lift my favourite platform lift. These just haven't worked in ages.
Going down.
Come on.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Come stupid Leicester controls, Dewhurst, Doppler. They got the cheapest of everything. They had to run this Shanghai Step. They just literally
Going
got,
down.
what's the cheapest one in the world? They just thought, we'll get the cheapest one in the world. It's going down to... It should take 60
Level 1.
seconds to go down. Although I don't know why they really need a shot that with 80.
Doors open.
I don't know why they thought, oh, it's a circle, let's make it 80 seconds.